Hello and welcome back to the garage, except this time we're not in the garage, we're on the driveway because I've got some work to do on the cart. Last time out we picked up a little bit damage, so we've got to repair that. We've got general prep of the cart to do, and I've got some performance improvements that I want to make. So let's get started. So this front bar is bent from a little bit of contact damage at the last event. So the first thing we need to do is swap that out. As you can see, this is no longer straight. Could try and straighten it, or we could fit a new one.
A few moments later.
So I've managed to straighten the old one, so I'm going to put that back on. At this point you might well be wondering why I've just taken the axle out, and now I'm going to take the bearing carriers out, and I've got a good reason. It's in the name of performance. I've got some new parts to fit. Hopefully they're going to make us faster. So you might still be wondering why I've taken these components off of the rear axle. And that is because I've got some new parts to replace them with. And you might now be asking, what's wrong with the parts that we've just taken off? There's absolutely nothing wrong with them. But the new parts I've got are made out of magnesium instead of aluminium, and they're lighter. So let's compare the weights. So let's start off with the bearing carrier. The aluminium one that's just come off is 196 grams. The magnesium one that I'm going to put on to replace it is 131 grams. We're going to change the carrier on the brake disc because we also have an aluminium one fitted at the moment, and we want to replace it with a magnesium. So the aluminium one is 310 grams and the magnesium one is 253 grams. Now we're not talking about big savings here, but this all adds up and it's going to make the kart faster. We're going to keep the same rear axle bearings because they were new one event ago. So we're going to take those out, we're going to fit them into the magnesium carriers. We're going to put a brand new brake disc onto the magnesium carrier, only because this one has got a little bit of warpage, it's got a little bit of run out, so we're going to take the opportunity to fit a new one. So let's get swapping parts. So we're going to start off by removing the bearings from these carriers. To do that, we need to undo this pinch bolt, and then we can rotate the bearing and we can remove it. So you simply rotate the bearing, move it round so it's in line with these slot grooves, and then you can just pull the bearing out. We're going to give it a little wipe over. And then to fit it into the magnesium bearing carrier, it's exactly the same process. You line it up with the slot there, slide it in, rotate, and then we'll have to do the pinch bolt up. We're not doing the pinch bolt until we've got this on the kart with the axle through it, because it will help with the alignment of the bearings and make the axle run freer. We do exactly the same with the other one. Just going to nip this bolt up to stop the bearing from easily falling out. We're not doing it up tight. We still want the bearing to be able to move, which we can. And now we're going to fit the new brake disc onto the carrier. So let's move these scales out of the way. We'll bring in our new brake disc, get that unwrapped. And we're going to need some new hardware for this. course, we're going to have to wipe this brake disc because it's got a thin film of grease on it to stop it going rusty.